Hey guys, today we're talking about Pear Deck in this 60-second tech tip, and I'm going to show you how to get going in student pace mode. Let's go. So basically, student paced mode is built off of your slides presentation. You're going to build a slides presentation that has a mixture of things in it for students to respond in Pear Deck and resources for them to use to complete tasks. So once you go up to Pear Deck and you click Start Lesson, you choose Student Pace Mode, copy the link. So in Google Classroom or Canvas, you just share that link with students, set an ending time, and once the assignment is closed out and done, you're going to end the session in your Pear Deck dashboard. Once you end that session and name it, it's going to send students a copy of all of their responses and the entire presentation with a link in a Google document or Microsoft shared document as well. So anything that you put in there, students can use as a resource both before and after the assignment is done. All they have to do is go back to your LMS like Google Classroom or Canvas and attach that document as evidence of the completed assignment, and you're all done. All right guys, I hope that was helpful. Remember, I have a full tutorial on student paced mode and how you can use it to really supercharge your instruction and get kids engaged and also provide them with everything they need when they're not with you if you're in a hybrid model. So check out that tutorial right there. Check out all of our other Monday motivational tips and quotes, and also all of the other stuff we got going on at Ball Guy Size. So we'd love if you come back, click that subscribe button. We'll check you next time.